Hello friends, welcome to our channel Food and Happiness. Today we are making instant jalebis using this Gits dessert mix. This comes with the jalebi making bottle so that it becomes very easy for us to make jalebis. The price of this pack is 75 rupees. Detailed recipe to make jalebi is written here. The packet says that you can make 25 jalebis with this mix. So let's start and we'll see how the jalebis comes out. First, let's see the ingredients required. Inside the pack we have ready-made jalebi mix powder, let's empty this pack in a bowl. Add around 250 ml of water to make a smooth batter. Add the water gradually and mix well. I feel we need little more water, so I am adding 1 tablespoon of water and again I am mixing it well. The batter is ready now. Check the consistency. It should be slightly thick and flowing batter. Let's fill the batter in this jalebi maker. I am using a funnel to fill the batter just to avoid any spilling. Now let's make the sugar syrup. Boil around 500 ml of water. Add 1½ cup of sugar. Let the sugar melt. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add few strands of saffron. This is optional, you can even skip it. Boil the syrup and simmer it and cook for around 5 minutes. Now heat 500 ml of oil. You can even use ghee to fry the jalebis. Make the jalebis as shown. I am doing it for the first time and I got hang of it after trying it 2 to 3 times. I think shape of the jalebi is just perfect now. Flip it when it turns crisp and slightly brown from one side. Be careful while flipping and cook the other side till it turns crispy. Take it out on a plate and leave it for 2 minutes. Let's make another jalebi now. Now dip the jalebi in sugar syrup for about 20 seconds. Flip and leave for another 20 seconds. Crunchy and delicious jalebi is ready to be served now. I could make 20 jalebis using this mix, and believe me, the jalebis came out so well and just delicious. Definitely you must try this recipe. Please do try and let us know your comments. Also like and subscribe to our channel. If you like to try custard vermicelli kheer, please click here. Thank you for watching.